Hi everyone, it's Lucy13. Welcome to my world. See the world through my eyes. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys something. I just saw a little, I think it's a snail. I've been seeing a lot of snails, and I see a butterfly. I want to show you guys nature's finest. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I don't want to disturb it, whatever it's doing. So just allow it to do its thing. But it's beautiful. Look at the flower, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look what nature brings us. Beauty. Oh, let's get it close enough. I can see it. Wow, it's a snail. So beautiful. Hey guys, so that was a snail. Very beautiful. It's very tiny because they come in all shapes and sizes. Okay, but I guess that's the baby snail. Nature's finest. Look what I spot. A rooster. Okay, in this neighborhood there's roosters everywhere, so I wanted to record it. There's like a whole bunch in this person's yard, their front driveway. Look at it. Look at the rooster. I think there's more behind that. Yeah, you see them, you guys? I think it's so cool that I see a lot of roosters here. So amazing. And just wanted to say goodbye. Today was a chill day. I did went shopping today for shoes because your girl needed shoes. And you guys, I'm learning, and I'm getting there how I want my eyebrows. So I did my own eyebrows today again. Practice makes perfect. This is much better than the last time. So I'm very excited and happy. So your girl did her thing with her eyebrows. Okay. Just want to say goodbye, you guys. I know that it's so much, but oh, you guys, I made a shirt. It's called I made this design. It says checkmate with the queen, the black queen piece. Okay. It was my first shirt. Well, it's not my first shirt, but definitely needs improvement. But this is just a shirt that I'm gonna wear. I'm not gonna sell this one, but your girl's coming. Okay, I have my own brand, and it's coming together. Just wanted to say bye. I know you guys don't want me to say bye. You're gonna miss me, but I have to go. Bye bye.